For most of us, WhatsApp is an essential app for communication in daily life, and therefore, the important information in chats is significant to us. However, there are chances to lose those chats when we're switching phones, especially switching to a new phone that runs on a different OS. You can't either restore the WhatsApp backup on iCloud to an Android device, or restore the backup on Google Drive to an iPhone. So transferring WhatsApp chats and other data is necessary indeed. In such a case, UnicTool ChatMover comes to help. ChatMover, as its name suggests, is capable of moving WhatsApp data from one phone to another without OS limitation. Actually, it can do a lot more than that, including backing up WhatsApp, restoring backup, and exporting WhatsApp data to PC. More specifically, ChatMover comes into handy for 4 reasons. First, ChatMover can do cross-platform transfer for all WhatsApp data, no matter iPhone to Android, Android to iPhone, iPhone to iPhone, or Android to Android transfer. Second, it supports backing up all kinds of WhatsApp data to PC, instead of to iCloud or Google Drive. So you have unlimited storage space to store as many WhatsApp backup as you want, without overwriting the previously made backup files. This function is free of charge. Third, you can choose any WhatsApp backup file created by ChatMover to restore your phone. Unlike iCloud or Google Drive, you can restore to any iPhone or Android phones and do not need to worry about the OS limit. Fourth, ChatMover allows you to export all WhatsApp chats at once with the file format you want, including PDF, HTML, CSV, and XLS. In a word, UnicTool ChatMover is a comprehensive WhatsApp management tool that is practical in many situations. Do not hesitate and give it a try.